It's Monday morning at Bright Style, a small but busy clothing line. The team gathers for their weekly planning meeting. Everyone is eager to start a new client project and do their best.
Morning everyone, we have a collection to plan. Any idea where to start?
I can work on the sketches first.
Good, while you do that, I figure out the cost for materials.
And I'll keep the track of the schedule in case the client asks for changes.
I can check what's trending online and get some fresh ideas.
The team immediately start their work. By midday, Rhoda has set sketches ready and Dean has finished the cost estimate. Lady discover a few trends that could fit the new collection and generally notices a small change requested by the client. She quickly updates the plan so the team can keep moving forward.
The client wants a few changes in the style. I've updated the plan.
Perfect. I can adjust the sketches now.
I'll update the cost based on the changes.
And I found some examples we can use for inspiration.
Great, let's combine everything and get it here to the client.
By the end of the day, the team has a polished plan for the new collection. Everyone contributed their strengths, handled the client's change smoothly, and learned from each other. Their combined effort made Bright Style ready for success.